Hello, everybody. Good evening. I hail everybody. How was your day? Hope your day went well. Get one small matter why your school can't talk. Because yeah, 20 they go. Excuse me. Huh? When something they happen, one needs to talk about it. Because I don't really know what it is up. Get what I see for YouTube. You feel me? I said no. I must stop for this one. Now good evening. We see about Okpaika and Epa. Like I did live video. Somebody can't call and say now Epa send Ivie made the insult Okpaika. That person will talk that thing. If not truth, better for you. But if not lie, that thing where you just use mouth to talk. Now your entire life, everything you don't labor put for your life, now you go take pay. Abi una no see where the whole thing happen when they talk that person send that. Now person the same person do something. Una no see the work Okpaika take follow me. What I do Okpaika? Because of the Asian sister. Abi una no see time when it happen. When you see go the call say na Epa na send the via make insult you. Can you imagine the idiot that called in? When the whole thing started, I think Epa was still in Nigeria. I think so. What is wrong with people? And Okpaika even allowed give that idiot chance to talk. That one, by the way. Another thing I want to talk. Okpaika, please just mind your business. Leave Epa alone. You are not his mother. Now you want to advise me not send many see. Since when a party come from Nigeria, you don't see us say he enter Facebook, he do live video. He carry medicine put for them where they say now video. What is your problem, Okpaika? Why are you like this? Why can't you just mind your business for crying out loud? When somebody constantly come out now because of this way you do now, constantly talk to you anyhow. Your say children they talk to you anyhow. Where you come from, Mission land, you know carry medicine constant for you. What is all this? Why are you guys like this? Why can't you just mind your business? You the advisor, and now you want advisor now your picking, now your husband, now your boyfriend, when you the advisor now small picking. Instead when you toss that jealousy, because you don't see and say you don't carry medicine come out now where you be the sell before you want to start to the sell them again. You feel say you can't drive your own entire house. Everybody now they say their own this thing. Abio. Awe mi like where you. When you know that dog say, oh na e. Okpaika la wo go say pa e, ma po no su gbo we. Ko be no we get you ade o ma we live video. What is your problem this woman? Can you just stay in your own lane? I don't know how I feel now say I dey join power or anything. But Mona just reason this thing. Mona reason this thing. Who they find trouble now? Since we a party come, I don't see a part for live video. Can't do live video. No. The man so carry medicine come out. If video, Okpaika ma get be oko e. Okwe no lawa. Ni vie sa, de vie someone na there. Inu vie sa na we boy. If vie someone na there. If vie do me no ya do ya. Okpaika we mo we be do e. Mama ga go we do lo e. E mama ga your game. What is your problem? Leave him alone. Kobe no yare, a person replied any of you. A Pama reply where I'm on you hire mu now. He never even come for live video. The man just offer made the business. Just the medicine way carry come out there for yesterday now. Always see over here. I've been working away. Everybody do your own. Everybody do your own. Now I felt off for this Facebook that day. Mind your business. Do your live video. No use my live video when me do content can't they straighten out for me. I not beg you. I tell God beg you. Because if everybody mind their business for this live video, no peace go there for this live video. No quarrel. You want to advise him like your child or like your boyfriend or like who? A part of you need advisor. No, live video. What is all this? Is that for you? Why you defend trouble this woman? Why you just defend trouble? Because you know what here? I even need to say that the time when they do live video, I'm not even sure say you fit do this kind of thing. Oh, when I'm not big thing, eh? When you nonsense. If you never walk here, who want me on who you attack, what once there? Oh, my God, but I will be no sorry. Why can't they not somehow respect herself? This is rubbish now. We should be truthful here. When we see this matter, now who got fair trouble now? Go see all those Sally when they follow all those idiots. They say, hey, you are right. I can tell right for you. Mona tell me as to tell right. Hey, pass it down. You don't do live video. You only carry medicine come out. Video the medicine. Okpa ka just carry. He some people why you there. Okpa no ga why you can wear okpa ka. Okpa ka so obo kunko. Leave the people for West. Unless the people will come meet you, will come find your trouble. Now you go meet. I don't go beg you. What is all this? Since a party come from Nigeria, he never do live video. He never do anything. He said that the medicine, now they take they eat. When they're hungry, they beat them. Which medicine they take they eat? Since a party come from Nigeria, he don't carry that medicine come out until he carry and come out that day. Now you they feeding his wife and the children. All this why we take the Nigeria. Since we take on, now you they feed them. I've been at the 10 euro medicine where they want bear, now I want feed them. What is your problem, Okpaika? Can't you just please stay your own, mind your own business? Let the part do it own. You go in now that day, you go carry out to Mosticom. Because they give the part for their belly. Okay, about them where iya na is a case one of Loria. Can a little yore or can he ya wa? Well, little Bonoman minute before. Can he let the yore kaya? Follow idiots. Fools where they not get sense. But I can leave a pie alone. Because before you know it now, I know many people don't call me. Not talk to Okpaika again. Not be your mate. Now suffering rest. Now see me say I don't talk to assist. No. But this one Okpaika they do, so it's still good for people. More now say whether this guy is still good though. Now we are pass it down, put now Okpaika want go find out trouble. Si so a pa come, pa never do live video. Okpaika say pa Okpaika you buy you document. Now go Okpaika de no Facebook. Who ga yan Okpaika mak yan sa. I know they insult you now, but I'm not just saying anything. I know they insult you, but I'm saying the truth here. She was 59. What is all this? Can't you respect your old age or respect yourself for once? What is your business with a pa? Now you want to advise them? Now your picking, now your boyfriend, now your husband, now your brother, I relate to you. He say medicine, he say not give you, he tell you so Okpaika come and buy. Okpaika say your own. Everybody they do their own. Now so you take cause war, follow everywhere. Everybody they follow you quarrel so. How now matter happen between you, Monica, and everybody? A program, okay? You can't go there straight now. You say you the adverse. But can invest yourself. Advance people where they follow you. All those fake accounts, some of them will not get ahead. All those idiots, for instance. Advise them. Not be a power will be full grown man, not be one advice. I tell God beg you. Niku yeto do yagwa. Advise your own. I know they lack all this kind of thing. Una know say they always they tell una. What I hate in my life is oppression. I don't like oppression. Why can't you people just leave him alone? You're just a troublemaker, that's all. You don't like trouble. And they do balama. And they do balama. Tete pa be we la video na we abia ho. Obi me ma we la video. He only video he made this put for there. Who like he call her? Because he get people who've heard the bayan before. Who like you not call her? Okpaka, what's that your problem? Have you the fear say a pie even a pie will be swan and I will say taking your way. No, when we muke sare no to why make you on any aba. Ya do yes see yakoba. That dog walk eh. Neki yo na ogido. Emi like where we be. When you know that dog ever say you can have you. I'm telling you. Bro Austin, you are right. What is all this? Well, I will buy your bike, no boy, you had to come because I own is too much. Hey, had the address, had the refi, had the address. Now you want a vest, huh? You senior, huh? Now you're picking, now your boyfriend. Oh, who want to move a platform you order advertiser. Now your Facebook is for advertiser. Happy that your name not rep for the medicine say of Paika. What is all this? They're in the parliament, never will have video now. Or they said that way, they don't stay and say that you the fair trouble everywhere they go. All the mother cannot respect herself. Now you want to see and walk by me near and be near. Walk by me near video no bury me here. What is your problem? What is your concern? How is that your concern? How does that concern you? Avasa no wa magbegele don. Yen avasa gbin fo. No avasa o agric pa be ye. No more mama me bogwa. A man with 6 abi 5 children now you want all their advice. What is that? Well, I will ya be gwan ba me I go be gwan form ya so abi gibe vie o be so e time when go na gwan no e bode wa be bege no so no na nya e ti bro ye o. I want mama giving the W, but if me a video but I was so pissed off. You people should go and talk to Paika. Why you do tell me why I go Paika Guanya? Because Paika will be because now me with Mokia will the matter. I don't like camo. I don't like oppression. You people should leave this man alone. What is all this? What is all this? It's not fair. You see the idiot followers there, the 30-something followers who are still there. They will be calling and be commenting useless, nonsense, rubbish things. However, you need. Why go because a pamak will not so go a pan not do anything for anything or will not call a car. That a pan not go ever change. No, only call up my car for the video. I can't play audio, voice recording. Bush like you're talking for here that they say so people they record voice. Not this is not lie. Before now they call people, more now they know. Only why when you record the voice, anybody will record it, don't record your voice. You never know them. Where park on lancé. Why kabi mi away? Where in London me rema na bi away. Imakpo no sugbo we. Ukume rien. Hey, he rien verse we me just test here that matter the fair trouble. Take about damage. Ogara uya ne gbona abi no na abo kyo a. Ipo na ti ogeze ni opolo ba ya. Why you look here? Why you cook no gbe? Everybody face your business. Mind your own business. Now they talk all this wise. All this why. If everybody made their business, I'm not sure say kata go there for Facebook. If I do my program, leave on for me. If this one doing, leave on for her. Because this is as in now you defend trouble. A person medicine, not say medicine, not say that I can't give you. You not say me you come back. Asian people more than not bad. You know how many Asian people they patronize a part? This is now all those ones so still useless. Where they comment for them, where they don't know themselves. This is now anywhere who are you side here about door. You don't answer nenemi toto, nenemi cassava. Ema gbon ya o abagbon. Just less set of people. Somebody called you and say, na pada de we vie de tate you say, vie de chat na pada say na ba Allah we, bona ga matter. Ah we am ye ke wa ma. O matter. E we no that we say okay ya save na ni nu tabu nu ni. Wa o wa gbon ba bo la wa gbe. You ga hear me job ye ke. You ga hear me job. Nu go ya tabo pa ka wa me nu ga te mama ni. This way they do it not good though. Now you dey find trouble so. You say you dey advise am. Anything we carry come now, one buyer. Now they say some of the top people they carry come in the bang. Okay, kids enough for anything. Okay, about what you Who bad the morphine medicine. Na death trap oh, na poison ba. Oh well we amuke. Nani gwe no hibe. O tu mo polu we amu be yan ya ni won. O salo pa pa iwu ya won ya ko ya si ya ko. O ma na we do pa bu den e ma ni be lelu. Why ya those your boy on Facebook. Leave him alone, let him say his medicine. Say your own pa o ma disturb you, o ma do po no sugbo we. Before I pack go Nigeria, don't they say that thing? People were patronizing him. People they buy him from him. Leave him alone. I want to advise you. It's too early for you to decide medicine for now. Where advise you? You advise yourself. A parent is not a baby. When you want advice, instead when you want to talk, now what you your ear? When they don't tell you what is not be truth. Now you want to talk. Your brother, the answer is not built finish. Your brother be down for you. Now that one you want to talk, they don't come tell you all those lies. Your brother give him money. He said me just leave it last now. I'm by your money look like on Facebook here. No, not really last. I told you that okwo. Because I don't like all this kind of thing. I don't like oppression. I can leave a part the fuck alone. Leave him the fuck alone. Because the parents they do that video don't miss nobody when you go talk for him out. For now. Leave him alone. I'm not super well. I don't know. I think even a song I will la video. Every 5 minutes we will la video. And then la video. Oh, short him. Every 5 minutes. Oh, I take Baba Ladia. Oladia sick person. What any yara? Any depression? I don't know what depression. Any yet but depression. Oh, could I la video every 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Any year depression. Oh, we go salopwa. That's here and I. Anyway, the worst and the biggest depression in my miracle. Anyway, the frustration in my miracle. La video work you go, sisi go salopwa. Me na kwa me na. Me inakina. Egele do te bi ame view assistant na. O te bi ege yo me do pa la je upa. O no wa to atali kwa me. O ga tok pa kebe. E ta fo. O me gbe la be. O me gbe me to be. O me gbe me to be. O me gbe wa la video wo salopwa. Haye te je nwa ya wa na emi. Ya nwa ya we baby kwa mo salopi o na ku mi na ku na o na wa to pia o ga bu boso ipe he inu gba no we la fi jo be do se gba te de ke me na se kaye na ya ta me no we ha he alles passion alles okay when you is a dashik eye is everything okay with you that video TV seconds oh one first seconds o be fien. Hey, good morning, loved ones. Good morning, oh, yeah, tattoo, you go, Salopo, and not better, get me the Salopo. Then I want me. Well, good morning, lovers. Good morning, lovelies. Good morning, oh, Salopo. Good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, Jimmy. Oh, what's your good afternoon? I will have it on your West, but don't get 20. Good afternoon, lovelies. No, you know, you're not Paloroga, but only gets here, only to what's here, only get where I don't you got body gets it. Yeah. Oh, boy, what's saying, if not here, women not me out of your ata me ze dia gbe eke ke ro na je yin ga me gbe eke ke ro je gbo so pon na ha me gbe eke na Oladia ugbeso o wo 20 seconds don't want to go be gwegwa e me pa me wait 3 seconds on go be go wa yo Salopo wo na ijibi emi agele ka go ya ga kyan me na so ge emi agi gba we so ye me te se eji ni ya bi ije oh yeah. O Salopo we se o re pa. If not, you go vie na me na be afun. Go vie na me na be afun. O vie 1 minute. 1 second. Oh, I get with you. O Salopo. Yes, everybody should stop. You understand? Papa is right. Kado ade pama we la video ni o rien emi o man do create a platform where please leave him alone. Mon paika, mind your own business. Mon toi agwa lo man ya la video every second. Oh emi pouva. Oh gaga na gaga ka. La dia ngodi. La o is it here. I don't feel loud. You understand? I bet me peace reign. May everybody mind their business. You know. That's okay, I mind the business. Okay. Okay. Do I advise someone now? Now, Saga, you want you start take find you say the advice. Which kind of advice? And then the Saga, maybe believe go and then the Saga, Saga. You're not here, Saga. Saga now, I have you ever talk? Vie. Saga, I'm okay. I don't am okay. Back there, oh, Saga me with the truth. I Saga you with the truth. Let's face ourselves. You be like a nonsense. I can hear Saga. What back where you have vessel be about. Why you go where down have vessel? I want no more. You know how visual. Saloboa. People have vessel. Have vessel. People have vessel to yourself. What make woman tell me? Saloboa. Everybody mind your business. This one mind you. This one mind you own. I tell Bonnet, I remember me. I see your video for YouTube. I watch her. If I say nonsense, I don't feel watch I pass. You see my own, you watch and you see I say nonsense, you don't feel watch you pass. If you want say me, shikina no, on your shikina. Every day, you understand? But why me go me? Saloboa. Yeah, I don't get live video na get kana. Good afternoon, lovely. Good evening, lovely. I have a web boss. I have a web boss. Good evening, lovely. I have a web boss. Good evening, lovely. Good evening, lovely. Hey, na ta for. Hey, what that? Oh, salute. We that women there. Maybe no why I'm maybe I like another time. You understand? I don't like him because a pan never offend anybody. A pan say medicine, not concern your own. Not super well. I'm aware. And it's too early to send medicine. Now you want to tell her? Okay, man, or early to send medicine, or my early to send medicine. I mean, keep your own. Stay your lane. Stay your lane. Everybody stay their lane. I tell you. Like, seriously. You know. Now, yeah, get as it be, eh? Okay, Saloboa. Qui a bien royé bon maintenant? Qui a bien royé bon maintenant ami ça le poids. Ah rien maman te rien ça. Ah na la. C'est le. Oya wa rien azek be o. Rien oui. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God Leslie. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir. You understand? I'm not going to insult her. You understand? But I just came here to say the truth. You understand? It's not good. Leave a pie alone. Even though he's selling medicine, you know, sell with your own name or for your platform. Just leave him alone. Everybody mind your business. So everybody do your business. Since a Facebook in here, a business, what that dog I mind your own business. What is all this? It don't make sense now. You just want to find part trouble. By all means. But me, I tell you, aware, but yeah, a woman talakpa. And working at your hospital, yeah, at where? Egbeman talakpa kekan. And well, degbe, yeah, your hospital, yeah, at where? Ah, I bet me a son venue. Oh, Saloboa, never. I tell that, you know. I'll be like that, oh. Mon ami, everybody stay there. Look, I bet leave a pie alone. A pa will not super well. A pa has never talked to you. A pa don't do any live video. Now, much more say you cut and say, pa, hey, you don't start live video again. You only advertise your own medicine. Fear no letter now. Fear no letter try now. I'm not doing me one on ya. I can't do no via when we. What's it going to But me I still tell you, me I still tell anybody there. A lion from me only man when they way out to a hospital. Only man when they way out to a hospital. Awagwa. Mona just stop on. Mona just stop on. Stop on. I can leave this man alone. Leave him alone. Bye bye. I greet everybody. Not too much. One love, much love, everybody. That's why I just can't talk because I'm not the lack of oppression. You understand? I don't like it. You understand? And somebody called up my car. Somebody that thing say that day they insult you. You see that idiot when did that so. Now anything when you life pass where you left, now you go take pay for that thing when you talk with Matt. If not truth. When this whole thing started, all of you know for this Facebook. I don't know it started na precious make the unda. Now they take they can't gather. Who they now be son? Here na koko gbeme. They give you domain no me meji. Obvious te no it take by te me betan. One tamarana. Hey meti a walk back mo yak mo ya te kire san me do. Unda do na ma se san. Ebi meti o so ma ogise ke no se na we ogi ma na ki mo obio si so na obio salobwa obio si so oku obio why tamu wana he me go me lebo if not who wa me 2 seconds la video na who wa me and ya fun ya who understand. Good evening, lovelies. Good evening, love. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Oh, why me and half when I walk at the morning. I did tell you, no me and my little with Vakia. Yeah, fear away. Oh, yeah. Oh, rien. Eh non, bon, oh, si kamu, on y est si kamu. Oh, rien da. Awe su wi arama da wo. Awe ma ya bi ko wa be ma. Awe na ya kin ezek. Ugma so ma te keke na de amu esu yo wa ma wa ya amu yu wa. Emi ya na teje. Amu ya yo da wo amu ya ye ko wa amu ya ye ke ho ba ke no. Wa ugbe fun wa. I greet you. You understand? I love you all. One love to everybody. You understand? I know they like oppression. You understand? I know a video at here, but me said no, but I I know when I don't let you out, I won't have ya one way, leaky, everybody there. Everybody they made their business, so I don't like all this kind of thing. Can you imagine? Hey, thank you. Oh, ma get what one get in the genocide. A genocide. Le video, we want le menu, or our video no. A genocide can say, Mama. Any constituent news as in here. Why not beg me up more water? Why not go up by my second? I say, I will say, now, what? Oh, go down, yak bomber here. And I say, now, you're with me, ya. No man so man say. Me many vie ita ebwe de ita no de. No man so man say. Omo go na. Owo go na akpo me say wa bo. E no ki awe se ne. O sa bo na me ri da we gani. De ta ibo we fian mo we gani e wi o te ya san me se ni. O yo gwa nwie wa. Go da na akpo me say. Ma bega ni opa kan you can say mani akpo e ra don mama you too much mama. Wa bega ni o bega e na ya mo ne foundation gboto na wa bega ni wa be Oviena e dey ai wa ye dey ya ga ni na do be ba ti e YouTube be dey ya ga na do YouTube be dey oni if you wa me ve na ro kwara me na wi jeme ono na wa ke wa de na o wa na ke de na wa do i o tale tale ya fo sa lo bode na mata wo ke na ike ba na mata wa ya fe wa kwa je nwa we mi da we bode na duza ai wa kin oguye